Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, part 9. So today we talk about canapes and amuse-bouche. So what's the difference between a canape and an amuse-bouche? Canape usually are served as a pre-dinner when you're waiting for people to come, when people gathering. You serve small nibbles and basically to get people a little drink, to have something to eat, mostly salty. At a canape, sometimes you can have a sweet also, but most of the time they are salty, and it's just something to mingle and talk to people and have a little bite. Amuse-bouche is something that you get when you sit at the table to start the meal. So the flavor profile is a bit different because here you want people to get the palate going. You want people to be ready for the rest of the meal. So you need something light, but that still has a bit of acidity and a bit of a nice flavor, just to get the palate going and the people ready to enjoy their meal. So it's two different purposes. So the canapé should be something a bite size. You grab it and you eat the whole thing in one time. It should be easy for people to take. Amuse-bouche can be a little bit more elaborated. It's served on a plate. People will have some cutleries, so it can be slightly bigger. People can cut and eat with a spoon or a small appetizer fork. That's also a little bit different.